I have some bad news for you. Right now, there is euphoria in the cryptocurrency market, and I have some charts for you that are going to raise a little bit of an alarm and maybe a concern about a deep correction that's going to happen in the cryptocurrency market. My name is Phil Yeager. I built a multi-million-dollar e-commerce business. I have a few 100,000 followers on TikTok. I've been in Bitcoin since before it was $10,000. I've been here the entire bear market, and I have made some great gains over the last couple of weeks, and hopefully so have you. We are still at the tip of the iceberg of this bull run. But on this channel, I provide you with empirical data that shows us right now, there's a little red flag waving that things could get pretty ugly pretty fast. I'm still very bullish on this entire bull run, but without any further delay, like and subscribe, and let me show you why I'm a little concerned of what might happen in the next couple of days or weeks, or maybe by December, because the data doesn't lie. We have 7 years of data to prove that right now we might enter into a pretty hefty correction with Bitcoin and altcoins. Or if the chart breaks that I'm about to show you, the gains might get even better. So let's take a look at this. This chart is super simple and easy to understand, but it's very important. On the top, we have the USDT dominance overlapped with the pink at the bottom, which is Bitcoin's price. Whenever USDT is dominating the marketplace, in other words, it's going up, that means Bitcoin is going down. People have sold their Bitcoin and moved their cash into USDT, which is Tether. Every time that Tether is going down, that means money is leaving Tether and going into Bitcoin. We have 7 years worth of data here, and every time that USDT dominance is going down, that means Bitcoin is going up. Right here, Bitcoin is going up, dominance of Tether is going down. Back in 2020, 2021, USDT dominance is going down, that means Bitcoin is going up. Again, here in 2021, again 2024, but here's the trend that really matters, these vertical, horizontal, yellow lines. These signify the places where USDT has reached this long-term support horizontal line of 7 years. Every time that USDT has reached this line, meaning it's gone down, it's touched the line again, that has signified a local top for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has crashed and corrected, okay? So back here in 2017, USDT touched the line, Bitcoin crashed and corrected. It went from, 18,000 down to 6,000. Here in 2021, USDT goes down, Bitcoin goes up. As soon as USDT touches the white line, Bitcoin went from 58,000 down to 33,000. Again, USDT climbs while Bitcoin goes down. USDT dumps. Bitcoin then goes from 64,000 all the way down to 17,000. Point being is that we have 7 years worth of data here, and guess what? USDT just decreased while Bitcoin went on this parabolic bull run from 54,000 all the way up to 89,000 right now, just about. USDT has decreased and it's hit the white line again. There is so much euphoria in the marketplace. USDT has collapsed, Bitcoin has skyrocketed, and we are touching this white line one more time. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instances of this over the last 7 years, where every single time that USDT dominance has decreased and hit this line, Bitcoin has crashed. What does that mean for us? Well, I don't mean to scare you. I am very bullish over the next couple of months. I'm not selling a thing, but we might be very well due for a very healthy correction in the cryptocurrency markets based on this long-term trend line. However, there's a little saving grace here. If the USDT dominance does not respect this line and bounce up, if it continues to go down and break to the downside, right here where you can see my cursor on the screen, that means Bitcoin isn't going to stop. Our altcoins aren't going to stop anytime soon. That means we will blow past 90,000. We will probably blow past 100,000. Our altcoins will not just do 20% gains, they'll do 50% gains if this line doesn't hold. We are at an imperative, pivotal moment where, depending on how the pendulum swings, our altcoins are either going to bleed or we're going to experience gains unlike anything else. So I have to make this video for you because right now everyone is pushing bullish news on crypto. And in the long term, they're correct. I believe that we are at the precipice, the start of one of the biggest bull runs that we'll ever experience in our lives. And the law of diminishing returns says that this might be one of the last great crypto altcoin seasons that we get to have, as the markets, institutions, countries are rushing into crypto and the dollar's weakening, and we might not see these types of cycles repeat themselves anytime soon again. I believe in that in this bull run. I believe that right now, I'm personally not selling at all. If we do bounce from this trend line, that means USDT People move their money out of Bitcoin, out of altcoins, back into USDT. This blue line begins to pump again off the white line. Our crypto holdings decrease in value. We lose some money short term. I'm okay with that because in the macro view, we are incredibly bullish. This bull run just started. We're at the tip of the iceberg. That being said, I have to make this video because while the gains have been phenomenal over the last couple of weeks with Trump being elected, he's super pro crypto. We have the M2 money supply. We have the halving event that's tied into global liquidity, elections. We have so many bullish factors to make us macro incredibly bullish, and we will experience life-changing gains in the months to come, assuming there's no black swan event. I have to just make this video and say we are hitting this trend line once again with USDT collapsing, hitting this trend line that it's expected for 7 years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Bitcoin may very well correct, and that's good. In life, you need corrections. When you have massive growth, you need your friends to keep you humble. When Bitcoin has massive growth, we need some corrections to keep us humble. We can't have our egos exploding. There's so many retail people who just FOMO'd into crypto right now off of the last couple of weeks. Google search trends are showing us right now that so many people are searching for crypto once again online. And we might be in for a very short-term correction as people are tipping their toes back into crypto and all these altcoin prices are exploding. That's okay. That's the short term. But we might also break to the downside. This party might continue a little longer, but a correction is coming, whether it's in the next couple of days, weeks, end of November, early December, I do not know. But what I do know is that I have to make this video to show you that we just came down and we hit this white horizontal line once more, which has for 7 years signified a local top and an incoming correction for Bitcoin. Like and subscribe if that's valuable information to you. All of this information, I put it in my Patreon before I make a YouTube video. So also feel free to check out the Patreon link in the description below. It's a Name Your Price Patreon. You do you, whatever feels right. You get access to all the same information. As well, I'm not a financial advisor yet. This is not financial advice. I do work with a team of financial advisors. If you would like to schedule a call with me and gather some information and well beyond the world of cryptocurrency, see how we can make sure that your boat has no holes in it and that you're doing well financially, you can always email me and schedule an appointment there. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that it helps you. This is just something that I have to say because it's raising a flashing light in front of me that, hey, there's euphoria in the markets right now. People are a little bit greedy. People are excited, and we might be due for a healthy correction. That being said, I'm pretty certain that it's just going to be short term. I'm not selling anything. I'm holding. Let me know your thoughts. Drop it in the comment below. If this breaks to the downside, the party is just about to get a little wilder. Thank you so much. Take care.